Meaning of disparage.
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 Disparage. The word disparage means to speak disrespectfully or critically of someone or something, usually with the intention of lowering its reputation or worth in the eyes of others. This can be done through direct criticism, mockery, or belittling remarks. The result of disparagement can be quite damaging, particularly in social or professional settings where reputation is important. It can lead to loss of confidence, decreased opportunities, and even outright rejection. In short, disparagement undermines the perceived value of the target, often unfairly and without justification.